is Raphael. Chair number 3 is Connor. And number 4 is Riley. Now what this is this is the delicious Italian dessert tiramisu. We've got 4 healthy contestants. We're bringing out the tiramisu right now. It's a 2-minute competition. You got 2 minutes to put this thing down.
I think Riley's excited.
We've given you a fork. We're gonna count you down. We're gonna count out times, so you will know when you've got a little bit of time left. But here comes the tiramisu. This is a gorgeous dessert.
Wow.
Look at this. How good does this look? The global tiramisu. That's a big helping too, by the way. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask each of you 4 gentlemen to hold your forks in the air. Hold your fork in the air so we can take it away from you. No forks allowed, no forks allowed. Have fun with it. Try not to get too messy, but have fun. There's great prizes for you guys, so don't worry about that. Are you all 4 ready? Are you ready to go?
It's a lot of fun, man.
Connor doesn't want anything.
Okay, oh, that's a good point. Okay, so by the way, we got one more request of you, the folks that are watching this. By your noise, how many people think they should be able to use their hands? How many people think they should not be able to use their hands? Okay, the crowd has spoken. You cannot use your hands. Hands behind your back. You can stand if you wish. Riker, you can stand if you want. Okay, there's a determined man. Okay, you've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, okay, what a fighter.
Go, Riley, go!
What a fighter. Riker is right in there. Oh, look at that. Wow. This kid is exercising his strategy here. Wow. Did you clean your plate like that at the dinner table? That is amazing. That is amazing. Raphael is doing quite well. I see Connor is bailed. Riley is, Connor's not amused. Connor is not amused. Riley is doing okay. Okay. Look at Riker in chair number 1. This is some kind of disgusting, really. Okay. So, folks, at the sound of the tone, you will have exactly 1 minute left at the sound of the tone. And the tone is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute left. 1 minute remaining.
Riley, have a drink of water. Drink of water.
Oh, this is going to be close. Riker is literally cleaning up. Wow, 45 seconds left. And it's between Riker and Raphael. And Riley is hanging in there. Riley is hanging in there. Okay, we have 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. This is impressive, guys. This is really impressive. It's a race to the first between Riker and Raphael. And at the sound of the tone, we have 10 seconds left. We have 10,
that kid's gonna
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're done. Well done, gentlemen. Well done. And we have...
Rafi.
Okay, it was fun though, wasn't it? We got prizes for you all. Thanks for participating. Riker, you're a star, buddy. Raphael, great job as well. And Riley, Connor, thanks for joining. It was okay. See, this is what always happens now. Okay. This is why we should keep them empty next time. But anyway, that's fun. Oh, we're still at the